If you're experiencing login errors on your Capital One account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Capital One customer support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem and ensure your account is secure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on your Capital One account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.